going to show you the demo of this Wi-Fi mini Wi-Fi camera. It's a wireless HD camera, and you with this box, and I got it from Amazon. And now I show you what is in this box I received. This is user manual, and with this box, first is this is the mini Wi-Fi camera and 64 GB card memory card, and this is card reader and cat C wire to recharge this camera, because it's a wireless rechargeable camera. Battery is already inside this camera. And this we get this camera, what do we call it, like hanger or whatever, I do not know the name actually, I forget. Like you can hang your camera on your wall using this clip or camera clip or whatever you want to say it. And now I show you how to you start using this camera. And it's a Wi-Fi camera. You can use it, connect it with your Wi-Fi, and then operate it with your mobile. Here is the memory card you install. This is the memory card reader company already provided with this camera. And here you can insert your wire to recharge it if the battery is low. Okay, this way. Yeah, already, no, like this. Yeah, this way. Yeah, now yeah, this way. Now I show you the clip, how to use this clip. Here is the clipper. Okay, this no, this way. Yeah, it is the clipper, and you can fix it like this. And from this button you can on it or off it. For 3 seconds you press, it will switch on, and it will switch off from this. You can check. Yeah, and now it started. It's a good camera. All the equipments company provided, and its quality is HD quality.